from 8 o'clock on this session. I didn't find any student to explain the lesson. Okay, I will go on explaining the lesson for myself. Our lesson is about sides, vertices, and angles. We have 3 concepts today: the word angles, the word angle, the word side, the word vertex. The word angle, it means union of 2 sides. Okay, union of 2 sides, or the wide between them. The word side is the line connects 2 points. Okay, like this line is called the side, and this side is called the side. This line is called the side, and the last one is called another side. So this triangle has 3 sides. Also, it has 3 angles. You know, this is 1 angle, 2, 3 angles. The last word is about vertex. Vertex, it means a point on the corner of any 2-dimensional shape. This is the vertex. Okay, so we have 1 vertex, 2 and 3. The triangle has 3 vertices. You can notice also here an important notice that we have the number of angles equal the number of sides equal the number of vertices. We have 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. So we have, when we have a quadrilateral figure, the figure that has 4 sides, you can find that you have 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices also. Let's solve this step-by-step exercise. Type the number of sides, vertices, and the angles. Okay, let's start. Number 1, this shape, you know, it's a rectangle. Okay, the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices and 4 angles. I think it's clear. Okay, so the number of sides is 4, the number of vertices is 4, the number of angles is 4. You can notice also the word vertices. Vertices is a plural of the word vertex. Okay, let's turn to number 2. Number 2, you can find that it's a square. You know, this square has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Let's write them: 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles also. Okay, what about the circle? Number 3, it's a circle. You know, the circle has no sides, no vertices, and no angles. Number 4, this shape is called a trapezoid. It's called a trapezoid. The trapezoid has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles also. Number 5, you can find this shape. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay, when you can find this shape 6 sides, you can also find 6 vertices without counting them, and 6 angles also. Okay, the last shape, it's a shape has 5 sides. Okay, so it's called a pentagon. The last shape was hexagon. Number 5, the shape which number 5 was called hexagon. The shape which number 6, which is number 6, is called pentagon. Okay, so we have 5 sides on the pentagon, 5 vertices, and 5 angles. Okay, do you understand? The most important thing from this page to understand that the number of sides on any polygon or 2-dimensional shape, the number of sides equals the number of angles equal the number of sides. Okay, let's turn to another page. On this page you can find more and more exercise about sides, vertices, and angles. Exercise number 1, trace each shape, name it, type the number of sides, vertices and angles. Okay. Exercise number 1, the word triangle, the shape is called triangle, you know. Okay, again, I think it doesn't need to draw anything here. You have to know that the triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices also, and 3 angles. Number 2, you can find the square. We will write the word square. Okay, sorry, no, sorry, square. The square has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. Number 3, it's a circle. Okay, you know that the circle has no sides, 0 sides, 0 vertices and 0 angles. The last shape, this shape is called a parallelogram. This shape is called a parallelogram. Parallelogram. The parallelogram is a 4 sides shape or quadrilateral shape or quadratic shape. The shape that has 4 sides, you know, 4 vertices and 4 angles. Okay. Number B, exercise number B, type the name of each shape, describe 3 things about it. You know, 3 things here, it means sides, vertices and the angles. The shape which number 1 I called you before, that's called pentagon. The shape number 1 is called pentagon. Type. Pentagon has 5 sides, you know, 5 angles and 5 vertices. Okay, so we will copy them here. Okay, and edit it by 4. You can see that this shape is called a rhombus. This shape is called a rhombus. This diamond shape is called a rhombus. The rhombus are H-O-M-B-U-S. Okay, this is the rhombus. The rhombus has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Okay, here you can find the shape that has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 here and 6 here, another 6 here. Okay, this shape is called hexagon. Okay, it's hexagon. Okay, what about the last shape? The last shape, all of you know, it's so easy, it's a triangle. Okay, the triangle had 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Okay, we have only 1 page on this lesson. Okay, let's turn to page number 4, the last page. I am a shape. We have a problem solving here. Exercise number 1, I am a shape that has more angles than a parallelogram but fewer sides than a hexagon. Yes, between parallelogram, which has 4 sides, and hexagon, which has 6 sides. So this shape is called, it has 5 sides. The shape which has 5 sides is called pentagon. Okay, again, this exercise told you that we have a shape between a parallelogram, quadratic figure, and hexagon, which 6 figure sides. Okay, so the result or the answer here, it's pentagon. Okay, let's draw it. Pentagon is a shape which has 5 sides. Okay, this is the pentagon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices, 5 sides, and 5 angles. Type exercise number 2. I am a shape. I have 6 sides and 6 angles. This shape, from the last word, it's a hexagon. Okay, the shape which has 6 sides is called hexagon. Okay, think of another shape. Here asked you think of another shape. Type your own clues about the shape. Type your own clues about the shape. Okay, I think about triangle. Okay, you know that triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. Okay, so we will write 3 sides, 3 angles, okay, and 3 vertices. Okay, let's turn to the last exercise. This shape, it's a square. Okay, so this point is called a vertex. Okay, this point is called the vertex, and this line is called the side. The last thing is the angle. Okay, thank you for listening.